Punch. Press and press. Hey guys, Ivan Cruz here on the range again. Let's talk about gun handling. So anytime we get our gun out of the holster, loading, unloading, it's always an opportunity to get a good repetition in. So a good friend of mine actually out of Vegas, he would always say, once the gun comes out of the holster, you get a rep on your presentation, bring it to your workspace, magazine goes in, load the gun, back to the holster. All right. If you're going to unload the gun, same thing. You can get a good opportunity to get a rep on your presentation. Go to your workspace, magazine comes out, stow, unload, make sure your status of your gun, back to the holster. You want to do everything from your workspace because it's always going to be a good chance to get a repetition.